Absolutely right. I mean, it not just for the CIO. It's again, of course, we can make it more towards the perspective of the CIO or the IT head, but it's the succession planning play a very crucial role in the talent management process. Right. It is very important for us to identify a few key roles, identify the right skill sets, positions to fill in, and we get a very short space of time, right? And the best way to get away from the current problem what we have in hand is to have a very strong succession planning. Of course, it helps us reducing the cost of recruitment. Like we it creates more value within the organization, the connect, the emotion what people have in the organizations when you get promoted and when you are into the role, that creates more of an employee engagement activity. And if you look at the current talent scarcity what the world is going through, it is all about getting prepared for such situations, right? What we can manage to get in, right? And if you also look at some good surveys, the more and more people getting retired from the leadership roles are pretty higher, and people who are entering towards that league of workforce is very lower. So it will help us to minimize that gap. And end of the day, like with all this pandemic and all that things going around, the CIO has also become a chief availability officer. That doesn't mean the system availability, but his or her availability is also very important these days, and we can't do that. So mirroring your roles within the organization, bringing up people towards your as your best buddy, helping them to success, all that stuff helps in it helps the CIO himself or herself to maintain a bit of good personal lifestyle as well. So from all the perspectives, it makes a lot of sense to have the succession planning well done in ahead of time. That's again my view on the succession planning.